In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to point your domain to Cloudways hosting in 2025. This simple process will only take about 5 minutes, and by the end of it, you'll have your domain successfully linked to your Cloudways server. First, you'll need to head to the Cloudways website, which is a managed cloud hosting platform that simplifies how you manage your online presence. Once you're on the homepage, look for the login button, typically located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to access the login page. Now you'll need to enter your credentials. This is the same information you used when setting up your Cloudways account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the Cloudways dashboard. The dashboard is your control center for all things related to your hosting. Next, on the dashboard, find the section labeled My Servers. This section allows you to view all the servers you have set up on your account. Click on My Servers to open a list of the servers you currently manage. From this list, you need to identify and select the server you'd like to associate with your domain. Simply click on your desired server to view its settings and information. Now here comes a vital step. You will see an option labeled Public IP. This is the unique Internet Protocol address assigned to your server, which will be used to connect your domain to Cloudways. Click on Public IP to reveal the server's public IP address. It's crucial because this IP address is what links your domain to the hosting service provided by Cloudways. Once the public IP is visible, you'll notice a nearby option to copy public IP. Click it to copy this IP address to your clipboard. This step ensures you have the exact IP address at hand, error-free, to use in your domain settings. With the public IP address copied, the final task is to access your domain registrar's website. This is where you have purchased your domain. Log into your account there and navigate to the DNS settings section. This is where you'll enter the IP address you copied earlier as an A record pointing directly to your server. And that's it, you have successfully pointed your domain to the Cloudways hosting server. I recommend waiting a short while as DNS propagation can take some time, sometimes up to 48 hours, in certain cases before the changes fully take effect. However, in many cases it's much faster. Congratulations on completing this process. By following these instructions, you can now take full advantage of the powerful hosting solutions that Cloudways offers. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out to Cloudways support for assistance. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your web hosting journey.